The underwater world is an exciting place, a beautiful place, and sometimes a dangerous place. It's a world that's been the domain of divers and submariners until today. Hi there, my name is Tom Pato, and for the last couple of years I've been developing an underwater remote-controlled camera called SeaCat. SeaCat is very similar to the ROV that found the Titanic, but it's a lot smaller and it's a lot cheaper cost. But rather than talk about it, let's go in and see how it operates. SeaCat is a cat that's right at home in the water. SeaCat's a unique underwater seeing eye, a high-quality CCD video camera mounted in a battery-powered, highly maneuverable mini-sub. SeaCat is remotely controlled from on board your boat using simple joystick controls to maneuver the unit and direct the camera. Right from the start, I designed SeaCat for easy use. It's light and easily carried in 2 custom-made water-resistant bags. SeaCat comes as a complete unit. There's 164 feet of tough Kevlar reinforced coaxial cable, a fully portable remote control unit, and a color TV monitor. It's simple to operate. You just drop the cat in the water and control its depth, speed, and direction with the remote control unit. It's so simple, even the kids can use it. SeaCats can also help you find that elusive lobster. Tell you whether you've hit the right fishing spot. Or just let you enjoy the beauty of the underwater world without even getting your feet wet. SeaCat's also a working unit. You can check out a fouled anchor or propeller, or even find your way through reefs in shallow water. Not bad, huh? Well, that cat's not afraid of the water. Now that we've seen what it can do, let's go back to the shop and see what it's made of. SeaCat is the product of a 3-year research and development program costing more than $11 million, and it was carried out here in Fremantle, Western Australia. The SeaCat development program has involved exhaustively checking every aspect of design and construction. First on computers, and then in the flesh. SeaCats are made in one of Australia's leading electronic plants. In fact, every SeaCat is fully tested before it leaves the factory. And and 1 in every 100 Seacats is tested to destruction so that every specification is met or exceeded. Now here's the anatomy of a Seacat. The case is tested to a depth of 300 feet. That's nearly twice the unit's operating depth. Up front, there's a high-quality CCD camera with exceptional pan and tilt capability. Two 25-watt quartz halogen spotlights produce excellent variable illumination for low light or night use. Added to this, the Seacat is powered by the latest rechargeable NiCad batteries, providing many hours of operation. The fins provide depth and direction control. The propeller is magnetically coupled to the motor, so it won't burn out even if the prop gets fouled in weed. And more importantly, the system is designed to protect young, inquisitive fingers. And to protect the front end, a tough polycarbonate dome that won't break even if it hits a reef at full speed. Seacat is linked to the remote control unit by a tough Kevlar coaxial cable with a braking strain of 300 pounds, so you can safely pull the unit back aboard should the need arise. The Seacat and its functions are controlled by these simple joysticks. There's a throttle, an on and off switch for the lights. Couldn't be easier, could it? Another Seacat tested and ready to go. This really is an exciting new product. Just think of the fun you could have with your own Seacat.